You say you want me, I don't ignore you. You said it first, but I meant it more, girl. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. You got potential, I can't explain it. You're so persuasive, I made some changes. Oh.
Hey guys, it's Bicana. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. Please give this video a like, comment something, and subscribe if you would like. First thing, I'm gonna leave all the link that I can find to everything in this video down in the description box. And if you can hear the air condition, I'm really sorry about that, but okay, I'm just gonna jump right into it, and I'm gonna start off with accessories. So I'm gonna start off with these two necklaces that came in one, like it came hanging together like this. One's supposed to be longer than the other, and it's from Forever21. It was like $3.99 each. I really like them. Yep. I'm gonna show you what they look like around my neck as well. I also got this one, which is a pain in the neck sometimes, but it looks like this. Yeah. So you can see. Yep. So I really like those necklaces. They give that look, you know, that look. You've seen that. I think you've seen that look. I really wanted that look, so I bought the necklaces, and it was really cost effective for when I can buy the real deal. So the next accessory that I got were heels, and I got these from Just Fab. They're strap up. I'll insert a picture of me wearing it because I'm not gonna. Nah. It's not a lot of work to strap on. It's really cute and it's really comfortable, and I love them. Yeah. So this is what they look like. Don't mind this. I always get this really like imprinted because I don't know, like I stand really strong in my shoes. I don't even know how to explain it. But yeah, they're from Just Fab. I'll leave the link to that as well. The next pair are these brown ones that I wore. Oops. I wore these last night for the first time, and they were super duper comfortable. Like, but the buckle on this side, like if you tie it too tight, I noticed that if I put it on the last hole or the second to last hole, like the tightest ones, that they were really, they hurted me. They were hurting. So I loosened it up, and then after that I was fine. Alright, so now I'm gonna jump into clothing items. So everything is from Urban Outfitters, and I work at Urban Outfitters, and there's a huge sale going on. Well, what's going on, I think I'm gonna upload this tomorrow, and tomorrow's Monday, and the sale ends on Monday, so I'm so sorry. But I'll let you guys know when there are sales going on if you want to know, because it was a huge 40% off sale. So everything 40% off the sale tag. So if something was like $9 in sale, it was 40% off the $9, which I thought was amazing. And since I worked there, we got employees get 50% off. So the first thing that I picked out, I've been eyeing it since like forever, is this white top. Yeah, this white top. I really like it because it's really sheer, so I have to be careful how I wear it. I think I would love to wear it in the summertime if I'm going to the pool, if I'm going to the beach. We'll see, like, or with like a really cute bralette underneath, so like even though it's sheer, like you'll still see it, but it'll be classy, you know. Okay, I'll stop. I liked it so much that I got it in black as well. The black one's a little bit easier to cover, like, you know, to pull off, because obviously black, you can't see through black that well. But it still is sheer, so be careful. Like, free the nips, but not these nips. Then the next thing I got is this dress. Not dress, it's a romper. The price tag is still on. It was $30, so I paid like $15 for it. And then, yeah, it's really cute. Makes my butt look nice. It cinches at the waist. Makes your boobs look nice too, because like the material, like, you know, like it just looks nice. Like, alright. I really like it, and it's really comfortable and cute. Perfect for summer. Summer is right around the corner, so I'm buying for summer. I buy for summer all year. I don't care. The next thing, which the price tag is on as well, this was like $20, so it was 10. It's this Adidas like sports dress. I really like the colorway. It's really cute. It's really light. It's not too like big and heavy. And then there's also like little, it's a mesh, but it's like a thicker mesh, if you get what I'm saying, down at the bottom. And then the circle zipper chain detail is really nice. I like it. I think it's a nice mix of like urban and like throwback vintage. I don't know how to explain it, but I think you guys get what I'm saying. I hope. I'm kind of speaking fast because I don't want this video to be too long, because I hate long videos. I don't hate them, I just don't really like. I have a short attention span and I like quick videos. I think they're to the point. So the next item is this top. It's also really sheer, but you know, I really like it. It drapes off really nicely off your shoulder. And then it has the ruching, cinching detail in the middle. That is really big in a lot of stuff. You just have to be careful how you wear it, because you don't want there to be like too much ruching in an oversized shirt. What I noticed is a trend that there's a ruching in tighter shirts, like the white one I showed you. Just imagine it like tighter and like ruching down the front, back, and the two sides, and it looked really good. I might pick that up the next time and show you guys what I'm talking about. So the next item is this overall. It's really big. Like, you'll see it in the try on, but I really like the color. It's like this gray, but it's like, I don't know, like a charcoal. Charcoal is black, right? I don't know. It's like this dusty gray. I really like it, and it's long and it's big. So it's kind of flabby in the front a little bit because it is so big, and this is a size medium, and everything is like a medium or a small. And I wear a size 8.5 in shoes, like sneakers and heels. I used to wear a 9, which is really funny, but different conversation. But like I was saying, it does flab in the front a little bit, but I think it's cute, and it's like cut low in the side, so you can wear nice cute crop tops or bandeaus or even like a swimsuit with it if you go to the beach. It's really cute. Last but definitely not least, it's actually not last and it's not least. Let me grab it up really good so I can show you guys. It's this black dress. It looks like this in the front, right? It's actually like, there we go. Shit. Actually, it looks like this. Yeah. The most interesting part though is the back, because the back has a lot of tie up. It's really pretty. You'll see it better in the try on section. And then it's long, and it's kind of like satiny, I think, like a polyester type thing. Really loose and flowy and beautiful. And it what's that word? You know, creases or whatever. It's really cute. It stopped at an awkward length, which I think is very weird. But if you were to wear this black dress and the red heels that I showed you with the accessories, that would be really pretty. Really pretty night. The last dress, oh, that made so much sense, B. I'm wearing it right now. So it's very busty, and that's why I tried to cover up with this shirt, but I'm like, damn, I can't really show you guys like real quick what it looks like and then jump to the try on. So this is the dress. It looks like this. Looks like that. Yep, that's it. I almost tripped. Jump to the try on section. I really like this dress. Sadly, it's a size small. I think a size medium would have fit me perfectly, but the size small was like too tight a little bit and then too large. But then I decided to go back to it and try it on one more time, and I'm like, okay, I can make it work. It looks cute. And then it's very booby because I do have big boobs, so I try to balance it out. I don't wear a lot of jewelry, but I did wear the necklaces that I showed. They looked really cute with it, and I wore the brown heels, and they were just super duper cute, so I was like, yay, it works out. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. Stay tuned for more. I'm gonna try to go thrifting sometime soon and film 2 more thrift videos. And then if I haven't posted the previous videos yet, like the makeup video and the hair video, they'll be coming next. So thank you guys so much for watching this long. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and have a great night, morning, or day.